Hello, how you doing? Over on Playwell Bricks Facebook page, we are having a creator challenge. We're going to be doing this once a month where we take an inexpensive set and we see what we can come up with it. We invite everybody to come and join in on the challenge and see what they can do with a little set and challenge their creativity a bit. So this was my first little attempt at it here. I don't know if you would call that a submersible or if it looks like maybe a little snub fighter. But the wings deploy up and down. There's little cannons here all over the place. And the back is held in by a single clip. This whole bottom area is held in just by a couple of studs here. There's no actual connections in the back. But yeah, it was a neat little experiment to try yesterday. I'll probably play around with this a bit more, kind of solidify the concept. But anyways, I invite you to come over and join in on the fun. Have a fantastic day. Keep dreaming of bricks. Bye-bye.